Hello, I'm Dr. Lewis McIntyre. I'm the president of the Arthroscopy Association of North America. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you and your family to our annual meeting in 2019 in Orlando, Florida.
This is the world's greatest arthroscopists in one venue for an entire weekend. So it's an incredible opportunity to increase your game. And as I say, if you want to operate like a champ, you got to become involved with AANA. It's probably the most singular, effective educational venue for arthroscopy.
We discuss advanced techniques, new things that are on the horizon, and compare those with maybe older procedures that are still out there and still being done. But it's just a great place to learn more about arthroscopy.
For me, attending the Arthroscopy Association annual meeting is probably one of the most important things I do in the entire year. We cover all of the most cutting-edge topics, from superior capsular reconstruction, patch augmentation, ACL, cutting-edge things.
A huge variety of topics that are being covered, and certainly in general it seems very well attended.
It's great to connect with different colleagues, discuss different ideas, talk about differences between countries.
We added live surgery in 2018, and I anticipate we're going to continue to see that for 2019, and that's always great. As somebody said earlier, it's like people go to a NASCAR waiting to see a crash, and while you want to see great surgery, it's always nice to also see these guys try to get out of trouble as well.